How to fix we couldn't find your settings error 0x80070490 in Mail for Windows. 1. Enable email access in privacy and security. 2. Update the Mail and Calendar app. 3. Repair the Mail and Calendar. App 4. Run system scans as admin. Commands include sfc /scanodism /online /cleanup image /check healthism /online /cleanup image /scan healthism /online /cleanup image /restore health dism /online /cleanup image /restore health /source wim x sources install.wim1 /limit access.